Welcome. In today's video, I want to show you how you apply for Kyambogo University online. As you know, most of the universities, everything now is done online because of the current situation of Corona, and improvement in technology. So now I want to show you how you can apply for Kyambogo University online. And as of now, Kyambogo undergraduate students have started applying for Kyambogo University. So if you are still stranded, please follow this video. It will guide you on how to apply for Kyambogo University. Now, you open your computer or phone, then you enter in your browser this URL, admissions.kyu.ac.ug. Yes, admissions.kyu.ac.ug. It will open from this interface as you are seeing it here. Yes, once it opens from this interface, it is asking you to log in. If you're already registered, here you can enter your password or email, or you can log in using a phone. Yes, now if you are new on this system, you just come here on register now. Yes, if you want to know how to register, maybe you missed something in this video, you just come here on how it will show you the process you have to follow. Yeah, let's now register now. Click register now button. Yes, once you click register now button, it opens from this page, and it is asking you for your name. You can enter your name here. Last name. Other name is optional. You enter here your email. Enter your email. Make sure you enter these details, because that's where they are going to send like your username and password. Here you enter your phone number. Make sure you enter your true phone number. Then you select gender. If you are male or female, you select, then click register. As you see, they say account has been created. So now please check your email address and phone number for login OTP. So they will send a code, your password and username on your phone and email. Yes. I'm checking my email on the phone. It has already come. Yes, the email reads, "Dear Innocent, your account has been successfully created. Kyambogo University online application portal. Use one-time password OTP to log in." Yes, so down here they have given me a full my details and a password. Yes, now this communication has come both to my phone and as a message in my email, as a message to my phone and an email. Yes, so really you can't miss out. So now let me enter my email here. So they forward you the password and the username. So make sure you enter the right email and the phone number. Then password is that. Then you click login. Login successful, as you are seeing it on screen here. Yes, you can either save it. So here they are saying, hey, please change to your default password. They give you the password, so now you can change to your own password. Let me change to my own password. Confirm password. So it's updating. Password updated successfully. So as you can see, they have 3 running schemes as of now. Yeah, they have diploma stroke certificate entry scheme, academic year 2021-2022, intake August, category undergraduate. Yes, so if you're undergraduate, fresher, please go on and apply. So application fee East Africa is 50, international 110, Ugandan 50. Scheme, direct entry scheme, academic year 2020 this. Running from this 14 days from now, running from 2021 30th. Yes, so it started on 30th. So, and it's running for 14 days. So now you choose here the category that you want. Yes, scheme direct entry. Then there is the graduate admission scheme, depending what you want to apply for. Yes, diploma, if you are applying for diploma certificate, you click here on apply here. Then direct entry scheme, that is undergraduate, you click here apply. If you are postgraduate, if you are under postgraduate category, you click on this. Yes, let's say you are undergraduate, click this. So here, as you can see, it is bringing to fill in this information, biodata. You just enter your biodata here. Next of kin information, full name, relationship, current address, O-level information. Yes, O-level information, A-level information. Then program choices. So as you can see, you select here your program choice. Then you can select here your first choice. Select first choice. Yes, if it is Bachelor's of Social Work and Social Administration, Bachelor's of Social Science and Administration, Bachelor's of Administrative Science, Bachelor's of Administrative Science, Bachelor's of Adult and Community Education, Bachelor's of Community Education, of Architecture. Yes, private. So you can come here and even search for what you want to put as your first choice. Yes, there are many here. Courses are all here. Scroll down and choose the course that you want to select as your first choice, second choice, and so once you have selected it here, let's say we select science in that, then you click add program. As you can see, they have given you main campus, day, entry year. Yes, you can choose entry year and sponsor. Private, entry year, year 1, yes. Then you save, then you select, you go to second choice. First choice is done. Now you go to second choice, third choice, fourth, up to 6 choices. So if you are done there, that's all. Then you can go back. Here. Okay, undergraduate, yes, undergraduate. You go to next step. Here we are in programs. Programs are done. Then we go to permanent address. Here you enter your permanent address and click save. Click here save. If you are done here, you click submit. That's all. Yeah, then you wait for the feedback via the email and phone number if you are admitted. Yeah, so that's all. It's a simple process. Yeah, admissions are open for undergraduates, category, certificate, postgraduate. So if you want to apply for Kyambogo University, please get your phone or computer and apply. Yes, people have started applying. Yes, admissions are people started applying on 30th. That is now 2 days back. So you are not late, because the program will run for 14 days. That is 2 weeks. So now it is just 2 days covered. So you still have a lot of time to apply. Yeah, so go on and apply. So please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. Be part of the team. Yeah, I bring up educational content every week. Yeah, so subscribe. Make sure you like the video and hit that notification bell so as to be notified whenever I upload a new video. You can share with your friends this communication. Yeah, it is so important for you to share this communication. I know there are people here in villages there and they are not aware of this. So please share it. Share the video to everyone, in groups, in your groups, whatever.